What's the meaning of card index? Card index. Card index.
Card index. Card index. A card index is a system of organizing information using small, physical cards that contain brief details about a particular topic. The cards are usually arranged in alphabetical or numerical order, and they can be easily accessed and moved around as needed. This system was widely used before the widespread adoption of computer databases, and it was commonly found in libraries, businesses, and public institutions. Today, card indexes are mostly obsolete, but they played an important role in making information more accessible and manageable in the past.